We're now getting some more inputs on the story. As per top sources, government to redistribute 10% curtailed operations of Indigo to other air operators. Redistribution will send a strong message to all airline operators that you can't take passengers for granted. Creating Indigo-like fiasco will directly impact your market share. That is the whole idea behind this reallocation move by the government. So why redistribute? It will ensure passengers have choice to fly. Spree of Indigo cancellations get over. And top sources also said that the decision will lead a situation where Indigo's operations market share will come down 55 to 57%, which currently stands at around 65%. My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us with more details on this. Amit, we are telling our viewers what's the whole idea behind this reallocation, curtailment of 10% of Indigo flights, and what does it mean for the passengers? Give us more context.
Anjali, yesterday I'd spoken to several people within the ministry and they were pretty clear that the instruction right from the top is that there has to be a message, a punitive action as well as a learning for all airline operators from this Indigo fiasco. And that is why this curtailment measure has been taken. So it was only around morning yesterday that we were talking about the possibility of 5% curtailment on Indigo's operation, and as to how that would mean that all of their winter scheduled flights will be gone for a toss. It won't reflect in their operational list anymore. But by the end of the day, when I met Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu in the evening as well, he had already met the other top officials of the other operators, but the CEO of Indigo was also summoned to Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan, and Minister Ram Mohan Naidu along with Secretary Sameer Sinha was holding that meeting with the Indigo officials in which CEO of Indigo was present, and that's when that order was passed by Minister of Civil Aviation that 10% curtailment will be imposed on Indigo. Now, why is this being done? Indigo has lion's share in the domestic market of India as far as civil aviation industry is concerned, and it reaches up to 64-65%. So when you do this 10% of curtailment, Indigo will fall down to 55 to 57% in the days to come from here on, and it will send across a message that nobody can repeat a Indigo-like fiasco again in the country where the passengers are taken for granted. Chaos happens at airports because for a brand it takes years to get that kind of market share, and the government's punitive action has taken 10% operational strength of Indigo in one go. Back to you,
right,
Anjali.
Amit, but the larger question still remains that do the other airline operators have the capacity to meet the shortfall?
Well, Anjali, that is why the Minister and the Secretary Moka himself had met the top officials of all other airline operators, including Air India, Akasa, as well as SpiceJet. The review meeting has been conducted. They have been asked as to what's your capacity, pilots at hand, as well as whether you have extra crafts in the pipeline as well or not. For instance, yesterday my top sources have confirmed me that Air India has added 12 more crafts to their fleet. So there are many of these, airline operators who are either supposed to get their retrofitted crafts or new crafts were already in the pipeline, or some other arrangements could be done. So that has been asked. But more importantly, it is important whether they have pilots as per the new FDTL norms or not. So that meeting has been conducted. We are given to understand that in the next 48 to 72 hours, the redistribution process could actually kick in. It will be in staggered manner so that, while redistribution happens, the government does not want, Moka does not want a situation where redistributed flights start getting cancelled. So they want the cancelled word to be cancelled from the aviation industry for now, and to bring everything
Amit,
back on track.
thank you so much for getting us all those details on the redistribution move by the government. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story that we're closely tracking.